This 2025 Jayco J Feather 27MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 33 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco J Feather 27MK is 7,505 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.